time to eat our veggies.
Eat 'em up while you have a chance.
Now do the veggie dance. Now do the veggie dance.